We begin with that major development in the ambush of two National Guard members in D.C. I'm Victoria Sanchez in for Scott Thuman. Tonight, we know the suspect is officially charged with first-degree murder following his first court appearance today. He pleaded not guilty from his hospital bed, accused of killing specialist Sarah Beckstrom and wounding Staff Sergeant Andrew Wolf. 7 News' Tom Rousey was inside the courtroom and shares new images revealed in court documents.
Rahmanullah Lakanwal did not physically appear at D.C. Superior Court today. Instead, he appeared by video from his hospital bed. Through an attorney, he pleaded not guilty to all charges against him. An attorney representing Lakanwal argued he should not be held in custody, in part because he had no prior criminal record. But the judge did not buy that, saying, quote, "It is clear that he came across the country 3,000 miles armed with a specific purpose in mind." U.S. Attorney for D.C. Jeanine Pirro sat in the front row while arguments were made in court. After the hearing, she applauded the judge's decision.
The crime is one that we believe we will be able to prove beyond a reasonable doubt. And I think the judge was very astute when she made it clear that she believed that he crossed the country with a weapon, with the intent to commit a crime of violence. And her decision was a correct one based upon the facts and the law.
New images of the attack last Wednesday afternoon were released. Lakanwal allegedly shot West Virginia National Guard members Sarah Beckstrom and Andy Wolf. Beckstrom died the next day. Wolf remains in the hospital. Court records indicate Lakanwal, who came here from Afghanistan in 2021, yelled Allahu Akbar during the attack. And those records say he tried to shoot a third Guard member who instead shot him. Yet another Guard member leaped onto Lakanwal as he tried to reload his gun. Now, Lakanwal is facing 4 charges, including first-degree murder. We're told, though, that more charges are possible. Lakanwal's next court hearing is scheduled for January 14th. Reporting outside D.C. Superior Court, I'm Tom Rousey, 7 News.
Today, 2 U.S. senators from West Virginia introduced a resolution to honor Army Specialist Sarah Beckstrom and Air Force Staff Sergeant Andrew Wolf. Senator Shelley Moore Capito spoke this afternoon, calling both National Guard members heroes through their selfless sense of duty.
Sarah volunteered to work on Thanksgiving so that others who had families could go home to their families. She's been in the Guard for several years. She was a bright sunshine ray of life, not just for her, but for her fellow Guardsmen and also her family.
West Virginia's governor posted on social media just hours ago saying a community prayer vigil will be held Friday at 7 p.m. at Musselman High School, where Wolf graduated in 2019. The governor also says doctors and Wolf's family are optimistic about his current progress after he responded to some basic requests, such as giving a thumbs up and wiggling his toes. President Trump spoke about National Guard soldiers this afternoon during his 9th cabinet meeting since taking office. Take a listen to what he said about Specialist Sarah Beckstrom, who was killed.
She was an incredible person, highly respected, top of her class, everything. She was like a perfect human being. 20 years old, just started. She was like a baby. She was so proud. They were giving her a promotion. And she told the parents that she was getting a promotion, and they were so proud of her. Then they get a call that this happened.
7 News continues to bring you daily updates on the ambush here on air and on WJLA.com. You can scan the QR code there at the bottom of your screen. It will take you directly to our homepage where you can find new developments on this investigation.